This is the best trade of the day on Forex Trendy. Watch the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another Forex Trendy episode, day trading with Forex Trendy. I will try to make a daily video. I'll try, even though I'm very busy, to show you if this online tool is doing its job properly or not. Before starting, subscribe to the channel. I see that many viewers are not subscribers. Subscribe because you will see many interesting videos. I will upload trading strategies and other useful information. So let's start. I will mainly focus on the 5-minute chart because I'm a day trader, and I know that many ladies and gentlemen out there are day trading, so I want to help them out. And let's start. The first trade of the day is the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. We have a flag sell signal, break at 89.91. So we had a breakout here, then a little pullback, and the price going back into the pattern, and then falling down to 89.76 for a 15 pips profit less the spread. Then the price started to go back, testing this level here around 89.93. Stay ready for pullbacks, because you're gonna experience pullbacks many times. Okay, the price tested this level and then decided to fall down till 89.18. So we have like 70 pips profit. Then it depends on your strategy. If you're just looking for a 10 pips profit or more, it's up to you and your day trading strategies. So this was a huge trade for day trading, of course, and if you are able to maximize these kind of trades, you are gonna bring home a lot of money. Use always a stop loss, because it's not gonna work every time. These patterns are good, but they are not perfect. So many times you're gonna be good, and other times you're gonna be bad. So you're gonna experience loss. Below the chart you will find the Fibonacci targets if you are trading with Fibonacci, and on each level you will find the price target. So the euro and the Swiss, we have a flag sell signal, break at 0.845. The price didn't experience any pullback at first, because it fell down here at 0.837, then he reversed at 0.852. Supposedly it depends on your strategies, but many traders here hit the stop loss. Let's suppose you have a wider stop loss, because you put your stop loss just above the previous level on the 15 minutes or 30 minutes chart. I show how I find my supports and resistances in the previous video. I will put the icon at the end of this video. And then it reversed again and went back on its way, falling down to 0.833. So hypothetically you had like 12 pips profit less the spread. The USD and the Turkish lira, we are having many interesting trades with Turkish lira. The problem is that many brokers are offering a very high spread on this currency. Okay, so we had a breakout in 97.35. We have a rising wedge sell signal. The price fell down to 96.84 for a very good profitable trade. Let me do calculation. 16.35, 51 pips if I'm not wrong. So another profit for Forex Trendy users. The euro and the Japan yen, we have a very nice triangle forming in this downtrend. Even though it doesn't look so good from this chart, but if we are going to look at this trade on trading view, then the view will be clear. So the breakout at 2110, then price was a little bit hesitant here on the trend line, and it started to fall down at 2078. So we are like 32 pips profit. Oh, this is the same trade. I don't know, it's showing it twice. Australian dollar and the Canadian one, we are still in the process because it's a very fresh signal. It's 16:40 p.m. Today is January 7th, 2020, and even this British pound Australian dollar falling wedge buy signal is still in progress. But it looks like it's bouncing on this resistance here around 91.33. I will update this trade tomorrow. So as you can see here, with very few trades, we had many interesting profits. Many good opportunities to grow our account. My evergreen advice is to use stop loss plus backtested strategies. You must know the markets because you must trade with a statistic advantage, and then you should look for a higher risk reward ratio. It means that you're going to select trades with a 1-to-3, 1-to-2, 1-to-4, 1-to-5 risk reward ratio. It's very important to be successful in forex trading and gain constantly. So for today is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I will upload more content. I'm planning to make a video about scalping strategy and harmonic patterns strategy. So for today is everything. Have a good trading day. Bye bye.